real conspiracy. We talk about, NIMBYism, trickle down economics, various scams that happen in the world that make your life worse because it's not centrally planned, it's not organized capital spending. It's a bunch of eager beavers trying to do hard work for nothing when UBI and the correct, just an organized system would work a lot better. But one of the big conspiracies of the medical system in the US is stem cell research. And yeah, I know you might think, well, you heard this through Mel Gibson, and you only are into this conspiracy because Mel Gibson talked about it on Rogan once. That's not true. Again, I'm an educated person. I know things of this world. I knew about the things that were going on in Panama and stem cell research before Mel Gibson did. In fact, he would have learned from me. The stem cells are a very, very interesting technology, and there might be some controversy on how they're harvested, but it seems like if they're being wasted, like it sounds like it has to do with umbilical cords, and it's some sort of genetic cheating. There's something about the way the DNA works in umbilical cords that will, there's numerous health conditions that can be corrected with stem cell technology. And the big conspiracy is that the US has almost no funding given to this research. And in some places, I think it was even illegal at times. I don't think it's illegal in every state right now, but I think it might be in some. And the others, it's kind of ignored, even though it's one of the most promising medical uh, things there are to know. But this makes you wonder if maybe uh, the powers that be essentially don't want you to live a longer, healthier life. That they view you as you getting older as being more of a burden in society, so they'd rather you just die sooner than teach you about stem cell technology. And this to me is a big conspiracy that it's not talked about. Um, if you go to your average medical institute in America, like some of them will, like just typical capitalist, brainwashed, automatic speaking, low IQ. You can be a doctor and not be a genius. And not every doctor is a genius, okay? Um, is to just disregard it because of hearsay. But look into the actual data. Look at what's going on in Panama. If there's a place I might consider retiring, Panama's one of them. They have, from what I understand, it's reasonably affordable and it's very effective for certain conditions. And if you want to live a health, it's not just that you'll live longer, your life quality will improve through it. So it is a big conspiracy how this is not actively promoted in the US. It's maybe the very wealthy know about it and they don't want to share this information with your average consumer, but it is quite frightening how a wealthy country doesn't advertise the importance of health, longevity, and quality of life to its citizens. But we know that a lot of Western nations, they're not, they don't care about their citizens, is what it comes down to, and most citizens just accept whatever breadcrumbs their masters throw at them. Um, maybe if you want to go deeper into the conspiracy theories, you know, why are Americans afraid of DNA manipulation? Right? What reason would you be afraid to alter DNA? Uh, there's some uh, there's some ancient alien theories on that. I've never talked about ancient aliens on this show, but I will in the future. And I have to wonder if there's some proponents, if there's some ancient beliefs that you shouldn't be messing with DNA, that only certain uh, certain types of beings are allowed to alter DNA. Again, now that's a nice good conspiracy. That's a nice good one. Like, why is that one of the reasons? And it's straight up crazy too. So I